Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop. So today we are going to be making the burnt and dying 12th Doctor as seen in the penultimate Series 9 episode Heaven Sent. So for this I have a 12th Doctor figure, obviously. I had to get a black shirted version. It was the most common one that I could find and the most cheapest. Seeing as what I'm going to do to it, I don't want to buy one that's expensive. So I need to repaint the jacket and the shirt, obviously. I managed to get a spare Time of the Doctor, 12th Doctor head. Reason that I went for this over the standard one is I just think this looks more like Peter Capaldi. You know, he's got a bit of a smirk on his face, which he probably wouldn't do if he's dying, but no matter. Waistcoat section, which I've actually taken from my other 12th Doctor custom because I've now replaced the waistcoat with one that fits better. So this one doesn't fit quite as well, but it will do the job. And lastly, I have a decayed master hand for his left hand. Now, I know in the episode, actually both of his hands are slightly decayed, but unfortunately I've only got the one spare, so for this one I might just make it sort of slightly bloody. As I've seen in the sort of the promo pictures in the episode, it does seem that his left-hand side is more burnt, so I figured that it would be alright to, that I could probably get away with just having, you know, one hand, one side sort of more bloodied and dirtied than the other. First things first, I need to do some painting, and we're going to start off with the shirt. And here is my burnt 12th Doctor. Again, I know I always say this, but I'm really pleased with how this has come out. It's actually come out much better than I thought it was going to. Waistcoat sits a little bit proud of the rest of him, but it works really well. Really pleased with how the face has come out. It's come out so much better than I was hoping to. I cut away a little bit of the hair to give him more sort of a burnt scalp appearance, and obviously, as I said, he's got a burnt master's hand. I decided to still keep a bit more of the red jacket, which I know in the episode it's more, you know, it is completely singed and black, but as I said, in the episode it does seem that he's been sort of burnt more on one side than the other, so I thought that's what I'd go with, that sort of half and half look. I thought it worked quite well. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's come out. It's a nice little gory figure to have. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favorite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.